Hello, my name is Vincent Williams and I'm subject lead for A-Level Geology here at Callywood College. If you love science, then you will love geology. It is the practical application of physics, chemistry, biology and maths to understanding the Earth. So it fits really nicely with those subjects when you're looking for another two A-Level choices. But it also fits with geography and environmental science if the pure sciences aren't really your forte. Geologists use science as a tool. It's a bit like driving a car. You don't need to understand how the engine or the gearbox works in your car in order to be able to drive it. Equally, we don't need to understand the pure physics of a seismometer or a magnetometer in order to use it to look inside the Earth. So there is no scary science or maths, it is all applied. And looking inside the Earth is what we're interested in. Why the Earth looks the way it does is important. And it's important for the geological processes that concentrate the things that we want, like ores, oil, gas, that sort of thing. The big thing at the moment is lithium. We need lithium for mobile phone batteries, but we also need lithium for car batteries. If we're all going to be driving electric cars, then we need to find some more deposits of lithium around the world because there isn't anywhere near enough that we know about. And in order to find those deposits, we need to understand how they were concentrated in order to know where to look for them. So if you want to come and study A-Level Geology with me, then you'll be looking at igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary petrology. You'll also be looking at plate tectonics and the Earth's structure to try and understand how the Earth looks the way it does. We'll be looking at fossils and time, so mass extinction, evolution, climate change, the way we can relatively age strata. Economic and engineering geology. In order to build things that don't fall down in earthquakes, we need to understand the rocks and the earth process underneath them, especially if we're going to tunnel through them. And in terms of economic geology, we need to be able to sustainably and cleanly extract stuff at an economic value. There's also geohazards and georisks. If you want to live in an earthquake zone, you need to build a building that won't fall down in an earthquake zone. If you want to live near a volcano, you need to know where the safe areas are, how you're going to avoid pyroclastic flows, that sort of thing. There's also basin analysis, and we will take you on a field trip along the Dorset coast to have a look at the Jurassic Basin to try and understand how and why the oil and gas that's in the Jurassic Basin is where it is. There's a fair amount of field work. We'll take you on one-day field trips around Devon and Cornwall. It's much better to understand the rocks when you're out there with your hands on them. We've also got lab work, so you can do things like chemically test ores, build seismometers, just to get the practical aspects of geology as well. If you want to come and study geology at Callywood College, then you'll need a GCSE Science grade 5 to go along with your maths and English, and pots of enthusiasm. So I look forward to seeing you in September. Thank you very much.